Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into RoxyBrowser, a powerful anti-detect browser that makes multi-account management a breeze. Whether you're involved in affiliate marketing or simply want to ensure your online privacy, RoxyBrowser has you covered. Let's explore how to set it up and use its features effectively, all in just a few steps. Ready? Let's get started. Step 1. Download and sign up for RoxyBrowser. First things first, let's download RoxyBrowser. Head over to the official website and click on the download link for your operating system. Once downloaded, install the application and then open it up. You'll need to sign up for a new account. You can register using your Google account or your email. It's quick and easy. Step 2. Check out the dashboard. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the RoxyBrowser dashboard. Here you'll find several key elements that help you manage your online activities effectively. Projects. Organize your work and create distinct environments for different tasks. Accounts. Easily manage multiple platform accounts from one place. Proxies. Keep track of your proxy settings and add new ones when needed. Extensions. Access and manage any browser extensions you've installed. Workspace. Collaborate with teams, allowing for shared profiles and settings. Teams. Invite and manage team members who will work with you on projects. Logs. View your browsing and activity logs for reference and analysis. Synchronizer. Sync your data across different devices for seamless access. API. Integrate with other tools and platforms for enhanced functionality. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these elements. This user-friendly interface ensures that everything you need is just a click away, streamlining your browsing experience. Step 3. Create a profile. Now let's create your first profile. Click on the Create Profile button. You'll be prompted to enter the profile name and select the system you want to simulate: Windows, macOS, or even mobile options. Next, configure your fingerprint settings like user agent and browser kernel. RoxyBrowser will generate a unique digital fingerprint for this profile, enhancing your anonymity while online. You can also add custom URLs and cookies if necessary. Once you've set everything up, hit Create to finalize your profile. But it's not over, we still need to connect a proxy. Step 4. Get and verify free proxies. To maximize your privacy, it's essential to use proxies. Start by finding reliable free proxies. Websites like Oxylabs, webshare, and ProxyScrape offer lists of free proxies that you can use. Once you've selected a few proxies, it's time to verify their functionality. Use online proxy checkers like Proxway or Smart Proxy to ensure they are working efficiently and provide a secure connection. This step is crucial to avoid connectivity issues later on. Step 5. Add and manage proxies. Now that you have verified proxies, let's add them to RoxyBrowser. Navigate to the proxy settings within the dashboard. Here, you can enter the proxy details like IP address, port, and any authentication if required. Once added, make sure to test them to confirm their functioning as expected. Properly managing your proxies ensures a smoother, more anonymous browsing experience. Finally, go back to the profile that you created earlier and connect it to the proxy. Then hit Save. Step 6. Open Profile. Time to open your newly created profile. Head back to the dashboard and click on Open next to the profile you've set up. You'll see that RoxyBrowser loads this profile with all your settings and preferences intact. Take a moment to review and adjust anything if necessary. Once everything looks good, you're ready to start browsing securely and manage multiple accounts without fear of detection. With RoxyBrowser, you have complete control over your online presence. It's important to note that sometimes Google may prompt you to verify if you're a robot, especially if the proxy you're using is a free one with high traffic. To minimize these interruptions, always opt for high-quality proxies tailored for your desired geographical location. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to set up RoxyBrowser for multi-account management and ensure your online activities remain private. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, follow for more tips, and don't forget to check out the full article linked below for deeper insights. Happy browsing!